In this video, I will show you how to connect Ecwid to Instagram. So if you want to start selling your product on Instagram, here's how you can connect Ecwid to your Instagram account. So first go and open up Ecwid, then open your store and sign in. Then here click on Instagram in the left menu. Now here you will see sell on Instagram, and you will see you need to upgrade if you're currently using the free plan. So if you click upgrade to sell on Instagram, you will see you will need the venture plan right here, which will allow you to sell on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Now if you pay monthly, it's 25 euros per month, and if you bill annually, then it will be 21 euros per month. So pick whether you want to pay monthly or annually, and go and start your subscription by entering your details right here, and then click on pay however much it is. And then after you do that, go back to Instagram, and then here you have a connect button where you can go to connect to your Instagram account. Now you will need to get approved by Instagram to start selling with your account. So not everyone can do this. You will need to be approved by Instagram. But once you are approved, you will be able to post your products to Instagram and offer a seamless shopping experience, and you will be able to grow your reach. So now you know how to connect Ecwid to Instagram. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you